Have you ever wondered what happens inside your smartphone when you tap on an icon or make a phone call? Let's dive in and unpack the magic. The heart of your smartphone, the processor, is a tiny but mighty powerhouse. It's like the brain, making millions of calculations per second to keep everything running smoothly. Then we have the memory, or RAM. Imagine it as a super efficient personal assistant, remembering and juggling all the tasks you've got going on at once. It's the reason you can switch between apps without a hitch. Lastly, we have the battery, the life source of your device. It's the unsung hero, tirelessly supplying energy to every component. All these elements work together in perfect harmony, like an intricate dance, to perform every operation. From making a call to playing your favorite game, it's all thanks to these fundamental pieces. So, the hardware is like the body of your smartphone, performing all the physical tasks required. But what about the software? What role does it play in the operation of your smartphone? Well, while the hardware might be the physical body of your phone, software is its brain. It's the operating system and apps that give life to your smartphone, enabling it to perform a myriad of tasks. Think of it as a puppeteer controlling its puppet. The operating system, whether it's Android, iOS, or something else, sets the rules and coordinates all the hardware components. It determines how your phone responds to your touch, how it connects to the internet, or how it saves your photos, among other things. Then we have the apps, the individual programs that perform specific tasks, whether that's sending a message, taking a picture, or playing a game. And let's not forget about software updates. These are like a brain's continuous learning process, always evolving and improving, fixing bugs and enhancing performance. In essence, the software is the brain of your smartphone, directing the hardware to perform different tasks. Ever pondered how your smartphone sends and receives data? It's all thanks to these tiny, unseen heroes called antennas. Antennas are like the ears and mouth of your smartphone, listening and speaking in a language made of radio waves. Radio waves are a type of electromagnetic wave that can travel through the air and vacuum of space. These waves carry our messages, our calls, our photos, and even our favorite cat videos, all encoded into a series of peaks and valleys, highs and lows. Now let's talk about the three musketeers of data transmission: Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth. Wi-Fi is like your local coffee shop where you catch up with friends. Mobile data is like a post office, delivering your messages far and wide. And Bluetooth? Well, that's your personal assistant, connecting your phone to your smartwatch, headphones, or car. Data transmission is like the voice of your smartphone, allowing it to communicate with the world. So, how do you interact with all this sophisticated tech? Well, this is where the user interface, or UI, comes into play. The UI is essentially your gateway to the digital world, a bridge between you and the complex hardware and software inside your smartphone. It's like a translator, taking your taps, swipes, and gestures and turning them into commands that your phone understands. When you slide your finger across the screen to scroll down a web page, the UI is what deciphers that action and conveys it to the software. It's also responsible for presenting information in a way that's easy for you to understand. Think about it. When you open an app, you don't see lines of code or complex algorithms. You see buttons, icons, and menus. The user interface is designed to be intuitive, to make your digital interactions as seamless as possible. The user interface is like the face of your smartphone, presenting a friendly and accessible front for you to interact with. So, there you have it, a quick tour inside your smartphone. We've unveiled the marvels of hardware, the tiny components working tirelessly to perform tasks at lightning speed. We've dived into the software, the very brains that command these tasks and make your device smart. We've explored the invisible signals zipping through the ether, carrying your data across the globe in the blink of an eye. And finally, we've touched upon the user interface, your gateway to the digital world, designed for your convenience and ease. Now, you're no longer just a user. You're a conscious participant in this grand technological symphony, appreciating every note played by your smartphone. Isn't it fascinating to think about all the intricate processes that go on every time we swipe, tap, or text? The next time you use your smartphone, remember the intricate symphony of tech happening inside. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the tech world.